West regard. My name is Jair Martínez. I am 38 years old. I work in a company in the environmental sector, measuring water quality. I am a student of environment engineer. I am from the city of Ibagué, but I live in Bogota, DC. I like hiking and walking in the forest, bicycling. I do not like negative people. We, my weight is 76 kilos. My height is 1.78 meters. My height is brown and my eyes are brown. I consider myself alone. My family, my family of my father, his name is Eduardo. He is 64 years old. My mother, his name is Rosario. She is 66 years old. I had three brothers. They are Bonnie, Luis, and Carlos. My brother Luis' life is in Villavicencio. He has a daughter. My brother Carlos works in the city of Cartagena. Activities like last weekend. The previous weekend in the visited my grandparents in a town called Payandem. When we some cousins to swim in the river, we had a finish lunch and the afternoon we returned to my grandfather's house. And now we went to bar to dance. A little later, we went back to sleep. The next day, we traveled to Bogota. Thank you.